Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Right now it's Thanksgiving Day for me, for you, which after Thanksgiving, but it's Thanksgiving 2021. I haven't done an update on my diet lately, but since July I started at 305 and I'm down to about 275, 277. Okay, I've been staying around the 275 to 277 weight. Right now it's at 276, but it's in the afternoon and I did eat breakfast. Okay, so I mean, what I'm doing is working. I'm not on any special diet. I ain't joined a gym. I ain't jogging or running or anything like that. I'm just eating a little more sensibly. And I know over the holidays it gets harder. So this may not work for you. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Now, it's Thanksgiving, like I said. Instead of cream corn, I did a piece of corn on the cob. Instead of a big slice of ham, I got some diced ham, kale, and potatoes. Okay. Over here is mashed potatoes, cornbread stuffing, chicken breast, broccoli, rice, and cheese. If you look over here, I have Blue Dog, a bowl of corn, chicken, stuffing, the kale, ham, and potatoes, and a little bit of pumpkin. And for dessert, I'm sorry, I can't go without pumpkin pie. So what I did is I went out and bought one of these little 50-cent ones. I know it's not financially sound. It's cheaper to buy the big one. But if I get a whole pie, I'm going to eat a whole pie. This kind of cuts that back. And for dinner, I went with sangria. Now, I'm not saying any of this stuff is healthy. But for me, basically, I cut out the cream corn. I cut out the sweet potatoes. I cut out a roll, a big slice of ham. God only knows how much turkey and stuffing. So what I'm doing, I'm still eating. As you can see, I'm still eating a lot. I'm just not eating as much, or I'm eating a little bit healthier. Okay, the corn on the cob ain't processed like cream of corn. But I'm gonna get off here. Hopefully everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. I'll do an update on the whole diet thing eventually. But yeah, I'm down, what is that, about 30 pounds since July. This is November, so July, August, September, October, November. 5 months, so I'm averaging around 6 pounds a month. Okay, enough for the rant and raving. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. Probably this corner right here. And as always, thank you for watching.